Good morning. Welcome to, what is this, day 3 on the trail. Day 4 on the trail. We're gonna have our oatmeal breakfast before we go way up there. Blueberries.
Ooh, they plumped up.
Yeah, they did.
Nice.
That's gonna be good. Beautiful views coming up. We are almost to the top of Cloud's Rest. It's been a very strenuous but fun hike. It's been several hours of just going up, but I wanted to kind of give a perspective of what we're on here. These are the stairs, but the very final little bit going up to there. We are on top of Cloud's Rest.
You know that saying, hard work pays off?
It certainly does, yes.
This is exactly that. You get to the top and the view is the reward. This is why people hike in Yosemite, to see these views. It's just amazing. And when we were on top of Cloud's Rest, we could actually see people going up Half Dome.
Yeah.
And it really makes me want to go back and do Half Dome again.
Yes, that's right. It was really cool walking along there. We have drop off on one side and a drop off on the other.
It looks kind of sketchy, but it was pretty wide. If you stay to the middle, you should be good.
Oh, you're fine. Like and subscribe.
As always, thank you guys for watching our vlogs.